A frequently asked question is, can I eat any animal protein on the Budwig diet? Well, the short answer is no, not really, because Dr. Joanna Budwig was a vegetarian, and she encouraged everyone to go with the vegetarian approach. And it's very interesting, the China study, which you might have heard of, that study showed that when people consumed an average of about 5% of their protein from an animal source, that no tumors grew. And so when you eat the flaxseed cottage cheese, you're getting already a 5% of animal protein in your diet because you eat it twice a day. But as far as red meat and other meats, Dr. Budwig discouraged that, and that's quite evident in all her recipes and in her books as well. Now, she did make one exception. She said if you're traveling and you're not able to make the flaxseed cottage cheese, you could have perhaps some fish. She encouraged, of course, fish that had fins and scales. These are the fish that are not at the bottom, and so they're not the bottom feeders. So they must have fins and scales, and it should be wild fish. But that would be in a very rare occasion, perhaps when you're traveling or you get together with friends and have some kind of get together, you could maybe have a bit of fish. But basically you want to stick with a vegetarian type approach on the Budwig program.